Namaste everyone. Myself Dr. Krishna Thorat Kolori, working as an associate professor in Rock Nidan department from Parul Institute of Ayurveda. Today I will explain how to examine nail clubbing. So clubbing is a bulbous enlargement of a soft tissue of the terminal phalanges with both transverse and longitudinal curving of the nails due to increase in anterior, posterior and transverse diameter of the nails. The soft tissue swelling is due to interstitial edema and dilatation of arterioles and capillaries. So causes for clubbing: cyanotic heart disease, lung abscess, ulcerative colitis, biliary atresia, bronchogenic carcinoma, infective cause, subacute bacterial endocarditis, tuberculosis, nail trauma and genetic. Clubbing may appear acutely in acute lung suppuration, but usually it is of slow onset. The exact pathogenesis is not known, but hypotheses are anoxemia due to any cause leading to vasodilation and proliferation of subacute tissue of nail bed. There is increase in capillary permeability leading to interstitial edema. Some metabolic and hormonal causes. Clubbing seen in endocrine disorders, for example, hypothyroidism, acromegaly, hyperparathyroidism. In that, pressure changes between radial and digital arteries. Along with that, when there is a reduced ferritin by escaping oxidation in the lung leads to dilatation of AV anastomosis. Now we will discuss different methods for the examination of a clubbing. In that, first we will discuss how to examine onychodermal angle. Bring the patient's finger at your eye level and look at the onychodermal angle. That is, angle formed between the nail bed and the skin fold. If it is more than 180 degree or more, that is, angle is lost, then clubbing is said to be present. Normal onychodermal angle is about 160 degree. Clubbing appears when either the angle is lost or it is more than 180 degree. Now look for the fluctuation of a nail bed. Fluctuation is due to softening of a nail bed. It is observed by gentle pressure over the base of a nail by tip of a right index finger while holding the patient fingers, that is middle finger, between the thumb and index finger of the left hand and supporting the pulp of a finger over the pulp of the right thumb. Shamrock's window sign. It is considered as an alternative method. In that, approximate the nails of two fingers, prefer the thumb of the both hands and look for the normal lozenge shaped gap between the two nails and the proximal nail folds. In clubbing, this diamond or lozenge gap is either reduced or obliterated. Grades for the clubbing. Grade 1, softening of the nail bed with the obliteration of onychodermal angle. Grade 1 plus, increased anterior, posterior and transverse diameter of the nails, as well as nails becomes tense, shiny with loss of longitudinal ridges. Grade 2 plus, for increase in the pulp tissue resulting in parrot's beak and drumstick appearance. And last, grade 3 plus, for a hypertrophic osteoarthropathy. Unilateral clubbing. So clubbing is mostly bilateral but may be unilateral due to presubclavian coarctation of aorta, cervical rib, Pancoast tumor, aneurysm of a subclavian artery, erythromyalgia and AV fistula involving brachial vessels. And last one is the differential clubbing. So this kind of a clubbing may be limited to the upper limbs in chronic obstruction of the veins, that is phlebitis of upper extremities as seen in IV drugs user, or may be present in the lower limbs only in infected abdominal aortic aneurysm. Thank you.